I'm doing the traditional Japanese technique of cutting fish. You start cutting an angle, and to finish the cut, you make sure that your knife is at 90 degrees.
This guy, wow.
I want to show Chef Kimura that I can do it too.
Okay, let's do this thing.
This is true craftsmanship. To be a sashimi chef, this is not just about speed. This is about precision and quality.
You know, not simple.
I actually spent some time in a local fish market in Halifax, filleting fish by the dozens. So I have to follow my instincts.
Each of these home cooks is really concentrating on removing that first fillet. They want to make sure that there's no flesh left on the bone.
Touching the knife in the bone, meat between the...
I just gotta cut through this bone. Medic!
Taya has already cut herself.
That's not a great start.
I'm moving extremely fast. I really want to get up to the balcony, but I'm having trouble removing the rest of the fillet from the collar. So I start hacking at the bone. Not the fish fillet, the bone.
May is moving through that fish very, very quickly. But Jeremy is moving at a very intense speed right now.
Jeremy has got his fillet off first.
He's ready to start slicing.
5 minutes have passed. You have 10 more minutes left to get those razor precision slices.
Okay, beautiful cuts.
It's very difficult to get those paper-thin, translucent slices of sashimi.
Yes, it's all in one smooth action.
My sashimi is not looking awesome. It's not cute. Every time I pull my blade through, it's falling apart. Watching Chef Kimura, he was nice and slow, so I need to cut my sashimi slowly and properly.
Calm down, calm down, calm down.
Everyone right now looks like they're on track, except one home cook. April Lee looks like she's behind everyone right now.
She's gone back down to grab the other fillet.
I have damaged that first fillet a little bit.
Now, this is gonna be a big setback.
I'm extremely nervous. The clock is ticking away. I'm not sure that I can pull this off.
I don't see he's cutting it correctly, but who knows? She may get something nice. 3 minutes! You only have 3 more minutes left, come on!
You need to be plating now.
You know what I like about Jeremy? Like Chef Kimura, he looks at the fish, looking at the angles. He's already seeing the slices before he even slices it.
I'm doing the traditional Japanese technique of cutting fish. You start cutting an angle, and to finish the cut, you make sure that your knife is at 90 degrees.
This guy, wow.
I want to show Chef Kimura that I can do it too.
1 minute, only 1 more minute. Get it on the plate.
Now it's just trying to make it look prettier.
Wow, Jeremy's already plated.
And Andrew, too. Wow.
He has lots of confidence.
I'm so nervous about time that plating skills go out the window for me. My fingers are shaking.
30 seconds left, come on. I want to see perfect replication.
Hope it's good enough.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up!
Wow.
Looking at my dish, I just feel like it's a little bit sloppy. I know my chances for making up onto the gallery for this challenge are pretty slim.
Hi, chefs.
A little bit jagged.
Yes,
Barry, Chef.
it's nice.
A little tighter.
Look how thin that is.
Very, very beautiful.
Thank you, Chef.
Tay.
It's the first time.
First time, yeah.
It is very nice.
Jagged pieces here, but
Yes, chef.
a bit of inconsistency. So the most important thing is every slice is the same size. Andrew.
And
One of the first to finish.
It's like paper.
Yeah.
Tried my best.
Very thin.
Jeremy.
Hey, Chef.
Oh, Jamie, he's so fast. He's faster than anybody else.
I tried to use the technique where you finish the cut
That's cut
straight
nice,
down.
yes.
Yes, Chef.
Excellent job.